Ciao a tutti e a tutte. Welcome back to our Italian pronunciation course by DreamOra. I'm Hawa and I will be your teacher guiding you through your Italian learning journey. So, modulo 4, lezione 2. How to pronounce the S and the Z sound in Italian. Come pronunciare la S e la Z in italiano. So, if you're ready, iniziamo. Let's start with the S sound. So the S sound actually has two sounds in Italian. The first one is the easiest, the S, as you already know it. So at the beginning, with a vowel, it is S, so sole. At the end, gas, so always S. When double, so rosso. When preceded by a consonant, so falso. Also the S plus F, E, T and the hard C, so K. For example, scatola. So normally, as you would say it also in English, S. Then though we have the second sound that the S can make, which is more close to a Z sound, to a Zeta sound, but it is not actually the Zeta. So let's see. Between two vowels, for example, the most common word is rosa. So as you can hear, it is not a S sound, it is not rosa, it is rosa. But it is not also a Z sound, rozza. It is rosa. I know, it can be difficult, but keep on practicing and at the end it will come to you. Let's repeat it. Rosa, which is the pink color. Then the same sound Z with the S can be found with S plus D, B, G, L, N, M, R e V. So sbagliato. As you can hear as well, it is not a S sound as scatola, but it's not also a Z sound as zaino. It is in between. So sbagliato, like the Z of the mosquitoes, if that can help. Now let's go to see the Z sound, that Z. So we have this sound before ia, ie, io. An example can be dizionario. After the letter L, calzino. But this Z that we have seen with ia, ie, io, and after the L, it's a zeta that is not that strong. It is light. Dizionario, calzino. It is not dizionario, calzino. It is light. And then we have the stronger one, which is in between vowels. So azoto, for example, azoto, and at the beginning of the word. So for example, zinco. Perfect. Now let's see if you can hear the difference between the two first one. So we have cassa, and in the second column, how you pronounce the first word? Exactly, casa. Then we have balzo, salsa, lezione, lezione. Then let's go to the second. Zucchero, zucchero. Zaino, zaino. And the last one, which has a S letter with a Z sound, causa, causa. Perfect, very good. That is all for today's lesson. See you on the next one. Ciao.